Malayalam. Is it Malayalam song? No. Then which song? Not English. This is a Russian song. This is a Russian song. How did we hear that language? We heard the language with the words that we know. നമ്മൾ അറിയുന്ന വാക്കുകൾ വെച്ചല്ലേ നമ്മൾ കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലേ? What do you eat? What did you eat for breakfast? Dosha. Then Hari kadala. Okay. Aval. What else? Idli. Very good. Putta. Putta is not here. No, okay. So how many of you ate putta? Very good. 1, 2, 3. So how many of you ate idli? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. And what about dosha? Oh, so many people ate dosha. So your favorite food is dosha. Your favorite food is dosha. Yes, that's good. Okay. So you have to be energetic. Okay. Shall I ask you once again? Shall I question? Nothing here. Nothing happened. At least one child should come down. Can you say loudly? Very bad. Once again. Yes. Very good. Very good. So whenever I ask you a question, you should reply like in a big sound. Okay? Okay. Very good. Very good. So we'll start with the song. You have a pen and a paper with you?
Yes.
Yes. What you have to do is listen very carefully to the song. Listen very carefully. Did you understand what I say? Can you understand what I say? Write down on a piece of paper or in your notebook the words you understand from the song. Did you get it? Did you get what I told? Do you understand what I told? You understand? Please explain. Can I speak in Malayalam?
Keshavan.
Now, and listen to the song. Listen to the song. What is something, you speak out loudly, then only you'll play the song. Yeah, you got it? English channels, you have to see English channels, watch English channels. Cartoons, cartoons watch here. Cartoon ഒക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്കൂളിലെ സാർമാർ പഠിക്കുന്നത് ഹൈസ്കൂളിലെ സാറിനോട് ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? യു പിയിലെ സാർമാർ യു പിയിലെ സാർമാരോട് ചോദിച്ചാൽ എന്ത് പറയും? യു പിയിലെ സാർമാർ. പഴയ പുസ്തകം. എന്റെ ഫോൺ